In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Crunchyroll subscription. By the end, you'll have a premium plan set up and be ready to enjoy ad-free streaming and extra features with confidence. Start by opening your Crunchyroll app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, update the app to the latest version so all purchase options display properly. If you're on a mobile device, the app icon should be on your home screen or in your app drawer. On some devices, you can also access Crunchyroll through a browser, but we'll focus on the app for the smoothest experience. Next, log in with your account. Use your regular credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt to keep your account secure. If you can't remember your password, use the in-app recovery link before proceeding so your purchase ties to the correct profile. Once you're in, look for the Go Premium option. You'll usually find it on the home screen as a banner or inside your profile or settings area. Tapping this takes you to the plans page where you can compare features and pricing available in your region. Choose the plan that fits you best, either monthly or yearly. Monthly is great if you want flexibility and the ability to reassess later. Yearly typically offers a lower average cost per month if you know you'll use it long term. Take a moment to read what's included, such as simultaneous streams or access to specific content tiers. Prices can vary by location and taxes may apply, so check the final amount shown before you continue. Tap Subscribe to move to checkout. This screen summarizes your selection. Confirm you're signed into the correct account so the premium benefits apply where you want them. You may be asked to enter your password to confirm the purchase. This is a security step to verify it's really you. Type it carefully and keep it private, especially if you're in a shared space. Now enter your card details and click Done. Provide the name on the card, number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear. Make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. On some devices, the app may use your existing App Store payment method. If so, follow the on-screen prompt to approve the charge instead of manually entering a card. After confirmation, you should see a success message and your premium features will unlock. You'll also receive a receipt by email. You can manage or cancel your subscription anytime in your account or your device's subscription settings. Enjoy your upgraded Crunchyroll experience.